Hi guys, and welcome back to MK Tech TV. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. For today's video, we're gonna unbox this amazing MSI Mag B460M Mortar Motherboard. So what's inside the box? Contains the motherboard itself, of course, SATA cables, MSI case badge, driver DVD, product catalog, quick installation guide, and user guide. Now, let's see the physical appearance of the motherboard. It has 4 RAM slots and supports up to 128GB DDR4 with the following frequencies. It also supports 2 M.2 slots. It has M.2 shield frozer that are built for high-performance system and non-stop gaming experience. It has 2 PCIe 3.0x16 slots and 1 PCIe 3.0x1 slot. This motherboard supports up to 6 SATA storages. For processor, this motherboard supports 10th Gen Intel Core, Pentium, and even Celeron processors with LGA1200 socket. At the rear panel, it has one PS2 combo port, one display port, 2 Type A USB 3.2 ports, Type C USB 3.2 ports, 2.5G LAN port, HD audio connectors, display port, HDMI port, and an optical port. The MAG series was born through rigorous quality testings and designed to be a symbol of sturdiness and durability, focused on providing the best user experience. The MAG series has a simple installation process coupled with a friendly user interface, making it the best choice for the entry gamers. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.